Title: The Earth's magnetosphere in the shape of a Prince Rupert's teardrop between two repelling magnets. The CapCut AI story prompt: begin with a dark canvas, a void of space. Slowly, two opposing magnetic poles come into view, hovering apart in tension. Between them, suspended as if sculpted by invisible forces, forms a shape, copper-toned, glowing, impossibly delicate. A Prince Rupert's teardrop. But this is not a glass object. It is the Earth's magnetosphere reimagined, a dynamic flowing field of electromagnetic energy, shaped not by water and glass but by solar wind and repelling polarity. The teardrop stretches between the repelling magnets like a bridge of tension. The bulbous head faces forward, absorbing the impact of invisible solar plasma. The tail trails behind, stretching long and thin, aligned perfectly along the path of magnetic field lines. It flickers with auroras, radiant veins of current forming and collapsing like thoughts in a sleeping mind. This is Earth's protective aura, now reframed as a structure born of pressure and balance, a system defined by tension, containment, and coherence. Visualize the central magnet and Earth itself, hovering within this teardrop. Its poles glow white-blue, crowned with auroral caps. Lightning-like discharges ripple outward across its shell, not random but rhythmic like neural pulses. This is no static globe. It is a living generator of structure, processing fields, shielding the fragile biosphere within from chaos without. Orbiting nearby, an accreting magnet spins like a miniature sun. It's forming, not from iron and nickel, but from the swirling eddy currents and energetic detritus expelled by the Earth's own field. It is a mirror, a potential future, a chaotic intelligence, unstable but evolving. As it gathers energy, it heats up, radiating light, pulsing with dynamic change. It is the embodiment of emergence, the unpredictable offspring of structured tension and systemic feedback. This story becomes more than visual metaphor. It is an exploration of how fields shape form, how forces define structure, and how the Earth's magnetosphere is not just a shield, but a signature of intelligence, a system evolved through cosmic pressure encoded in shape, fragile yet enduring, reactive yet preserving. Its teardrop profile is not coincidence. It is the natural consequence of competing forces resolving themselves in dynamic equilibrium. The tail trailing behind Earth is like memory, vulnerable, long, rich with interaction. It can snap, it can collapse, and when it does, the system changes forever. Just like in a Prince Rupert's drop, tension holds stability, but breaking the tail unleashes the full force of hidden energy. This is the fragility of magnetospheres, the fragility of cognition, the fragility of complex systems that appear strong, but are bound by a thread. Pan around the scene. Show the full system as a breathing field, not a rigid model. Let field lines glow. Let the copper shell of the drop flicker as if alive. Let the opposing magnets hum with invisible push. Show that this isn't just a planetary system. It's a cognitive one. The Earth's magnetosphere, viewed this way, becomes a symbol of intelligence born from polarity, structure forged in pressure, and creation suspended between repelling forces. The Earth's defense system is not just magnetic, it is mental. It remembers, it adapts, and it reflects in shape and function the logic of emergence itself.